These parts with the time start getting you know, the color. Well, you guys can fix this super easier with a torch. And I already fixed this one a little bit. As you guys can see, look at the color, how it's getting it. You gotta do this quickly and you get the brand new color over here. The only thing you guys gotta watch out is right here in the net, because as you can see, I messed it up a little bit right here. And alright guys, well, as you remember, you know, a few minutes ago, I tried to paint this with the torch and it get basically burned out. This thing, you just remove this like that. You guys can see, you guys can find this in Home Depot. You guys can use the mesh you're using for basically the windows. Basically it's the same thing. You guys can see it. It is the same thing. Just put it right here, copy the molding. We're gonna put it back here. Using the torch, we're gonna hit this, and the only thing we're gonna do is just touch the corners, and basically it's gonna get again in place. That's the easy way to replace this. Let me do this real quick. I'm gonna use the scissors right here, and let's see. Okay, we got this one. We're gonna put this on the side. Now, they don't have to be the same. You guys can get it closer to what it is. Just go around the path and put it right there. You know, just cut closer to make it almost the same. Let me see. Right there is fine. Same length. Right, it's the same, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yep. We got the same thing. Okay, this is the burnout. You guys see it right there, and this is the new one.
Show
And
them again.
take a look. Home Depot. And this is the Toyota. Basically, it's almost the same thing. These holes are a little bit bigger than these ones, but it's the same thing. Now, let me just clean this up a little bit, and let's clean this right away from the hole that just we got. But that's the same way you guys can fix. If you got a problem with a mess, just do the same thing. Put it right here. You guys take a look. Here how it is. And the only thing we're gonna do is with the torch. What is the torch?
It's over here.
Oh, it's right there. Let me just get the torch. We're gonna hit this. We're gonna burn this thing out. I got something flat like this. Get it real hot. That's enough to touch it, quick and remove. Close this. Come on, buddy. And we're gonna do quick touches right there. See it right there. It's getting cold. Okay, well, the first one is already done. You guys see it right there. Take a look. And this one stays. Now I gotta get a little bit more heat. And it's melting because it's the residue of the old one. Now just go quick, don't stay too much. Just quick, just to melt it in place. You got it right there. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, and that's it. There you guys have it. Take a look. You got a brand new net right here. It's not going nowhere. Just make sure, check it out, everything is in place. Everything is okay right here. Let me see this one. No, this one is fine. This one is, and I'm gonna put a little bit more right there just to make sure in the future it's gonna come out. But it's a simple process and you guys fix that. Yeah, because, oops. What is going on with this thing, huh? Oh my goodness. I think I tied it too much. Okay. 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 It was this one. Touch it quick. Come on. Okay. Just touch a little bit more. Right here, the corners. It's not gonna do anything wrong. Just gonna hold it more. Okay. This one, let me see. This one I'm gonna put all around here. I don't wanna get too much. Right there. There we go. Okay, let it get cold. And basically that's it. You guys can see right there. It's already melted out and you guys got a brand new mesh right there. Everything is fine, everything is cool, and that's it, bro. You got a new one. All right guys, thumbs up. See you guys in another Just My Review. God bless you all. Bye bye.